What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you guys saw the last few videos, I kind of just threw every single video I can find on the M3 and just kind of like put it out there before I made the crash video. It's been like literally like 3 days. It just got picked up this morning and it's crazy. Like, it's literally crazy. They didn't even ask about the front bumper, so I'm gonna keep this as a souvenir. Obviously, you guys that watch the videos and all that stuff know that it wasn't my car, but I still had that connection to it. One, because obviously my car's down, which, welcome to part 3, guys. Welcome to part 3. Tonight we're gonna get some work done. I feel like I've been lagging it and super just slacking off on the car, but it's not even that. It's just I've been super busy with work. Like I said, if anybody needs anything, any wraps or anything like that, hit me up. Visualize Wraps, here we go. But yeah, I've been getting hit up car after car after car, like literally non-stop. At one point we had 3 cars in at the same time, and it was like multitasking. It was crazy. But yeah, today I have time. So yeah, time to finally work on this car. Tonight, what I really want to push for is put the OEM turbo back on. Everything kind of like bolted on and adjusted. So the unthinkable happened. Don't buy stuff from Harbor Freight. It's gonna come back and bite you in the butt. But look, it literally snapped off. I think the camera's focused a little bit now, but like it literally just snapped right off. Less than 30 minutes, like up in the air. Like that shit was crazy. And Axel was down there. Good thing his hands weren't down, like literally in. Like that would have been so bad. Like it literally was like trying to put the turbo in, and he took it out, and then boom. But yeah, so we're literally just trying to put in the engine mount at this point. That way it can just sit comfortably versus just being up top of there, because we're afraid the other one's gonna snap right now. In the morning we'll just go out and buy another one, because I mean we need it. If we put the turbo in, we need to raise it a little bit more, because yeah, the turbo's not fitting in. It's a little bit too much of a tight squeeze, so we need to raise up the engine more, put it in, and then that's pretty much it. All the bolts go on, all the hoses back go on, and then this car's ready. So guys, I don't remember when was the last time I recorded, but Alex is here with his car. This sick ass color. I'm gonna go into detail when I make a specific video of this car, because he just got that. So I'm gonna make a separate video of actually installing the NOS and going over the color and why he picked this color. We're gonna get into all of that on probably next video when I actually talk about it, because we should be done pretty soon. But back to this, like I said, I don't remember exactly where I left off. But yeah, do you remember where I left off? I think I told you guys that this thing just failed on us. Like, it completely snapped. Good thing his fingers weren't in there, because yeah, it would have been bad. So we went to Harbor Freight, got another one. I think that's our first mistake. We went to Harbor Freight.
Want to push it more up?
So yeah, that was a pain in the butt. It was really hard getting it in there. The fuel, I think it's the fuel line that we have. Not a fuel line, an oil line. That's attached to the actual turbo. I think that one was getting stuck back there. It was really hard to see, even with, like, we have the garage open and we have lighting, which I didn't even turn it on. But even then, it's really hard to see down there, and we can't really get a light on, because it's kind of like he's just feeling for it, like just trying to push up. Because I'm gonna make like, this whole series is gonna be crazy. We're gonna get to the good stuff. Right now it might be a little bit boring, because we're still trying to bring this back to life. But once we actually get it back from BMW, the series is gonna be getting juicy. It's gonna start getting crazy, because there's a bunch of things I'm gonna be updating. Man, this interior is messed up, and it was outside for a while, so who knows how many spiders and stuff like that are actually in here.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do, ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. Number one. do, never do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number, the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do, ever do. Two